guys, welcome back. Do you remember last year I posted a French twist hair tutorial and you guys loved it? So I've been dying to recreate it but give it a more effortless, cool girl vibe. I practiced all night last night to try to perfect the easiest technique and I think I got it for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, real quick, I already went ahead and curled my hair. I used this new wand from T3. This is their single pass waver and it tapers from 1 1/4 inch to 3/4 inches. That makes me think of math class. But I love it. It gave me really natural looking waves, perfect for textured buns, but you could also rock straight hair for this hairstyle. Okay, now I'm going to turn around. So first, a little hair prep. To give this hairstyle a more elegant appearance, I just lightly teased small horizontal sections of hair around my crown. Then my secret weapon to add volume, dry shampoo. This one's from Hair Food. This is actually the first time I've tried it, so I'll keep you guys posted, but first impressions, smells amazing. Now, have a strong hair elastic ready and loosely gather all of your hair where you want your bun to sit. I wanted mine right in the middle, so I placed it just above my ears. Don't forget to pull out small sections of hair to frame your face and then tightly secure your ponytail into place, pulling it nice and tight. Since the ponytail takes away some of the volume, just use your index finger and thumb to pull on small sections of hair around the crown, the sides, and even on the underside. I do this every single time. I just love the dimension and fullness this step creates, but feel free to keep it nice and sleek. Now that we have a nice voluminous base, let's create our bun. First step, grab your ponytail near its base with your left hand and tightly pull it to the left side, holding it against your head beside where your hair elastic is. Next, tightly secure into a small sideways bun. It's important to try to make this bun as small as possible. Now, we'll be pulling our ends through the elastic, so on the last wrap, try to keep your fingers looped through. It'll just make the next step much easier. So we're going to bring our ponytail across our bun over the hair elastic and then pull our ends through the underside of the elastic. So you can see here, I'm bringing my ponytail across my bun, over my hair elastic, and then pulling my ends through the underside of that elastic. Going over instead of under the hair elastic is going to tuck your ends inwards towards the center so that we can hide them as well as hide that elastic. So once you've pulled your ponytail through, you can begin spreading the hair to cover the small bun. If your ends are still poking out like mine, just twist them together and tuck them under that bun to hide them. Now, if your hair is shorter, it'll be super simple to fit them in there. And then play around with it. Make sure you fan out your bun so that the top and the bottom is touching your head. The shape reminds me of a croissant, but once you're happy with the placement, it should feel quite secure. But go ahead and bobby pin the top and bottom into place. I think it's so cute and I couldn't resist adding some pearl hairpins that I DIY'd from Michaels to help finish off the look. You guys, I'm in love. This is officially my new go-to updo for summer. Not only because I think it's beautiful, it's easy to do, but it's so quick. This took me max 5 minutes. I'm not sure why, but in the summer, I have even less patience for my hair. But I really hope you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to tag your recreations with me on Instagram. I'll link it down below. But thanks again, you guys, for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.